So you've got a Python script that works. The data is clean, the database connections are configured, and the charts look right. And with Dash, you can ship all of these as an app and never leave the Python ecosystem. Hey, I'm Athiru, a dev advocate at Plotly, and let me show you what we can do with Dash with some real examples. So the first app is this multi-page geological app. All the interactivity, including the hover, the zoom, and the live crosshairs, that's Plotly under the hood, built in without any extra code. Then you've got the more complex interactions, such as these linked cross sections, where you can zoom in on one panel and the formation contacts stay locked to all other right axes. Next, we have a multi-page investment dashboard. This app has live market prices streaming in, a unified hover on every chart, a PDF export button, and 4 completely separate pages, with all routing handled in Python. So it's the same language, but a full production app. Finally, we have a clinical platform with a radiology workstation. It has window and level sliders and annotation tools to draw on the report. It's built with the same Dash framework, but a completely different world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we introduce you to our docs and cover building the layout of our first Dash app.